So if we want to relax our hair, it will work. If we have natural hair, it will work. If we want to transition to natural hair, it will work. That's right, Shima girls. Let's remember to Shima oil to maintain our moisture, okay? We're going to Shima oil all of our hair and then proceed with our protective styles. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, ladies. Use my Shima Hair Repair shampoo tutorial to help you use my shampoo correctly. It's very essential that you follow the techniques as closely as possible the way I showed you in this video so you can get the very best results. And well, thank you for watching, ladies, and happy Shima hair growing.